game-changing app. It was launched in 2021, January 29th, at the peak of pandemic. Isipin ninyo, di ba? When the world stood still, eto, nilaunch ng Viva ang Viva Max. At syempre, very proud din tayo to say that Viva Max was able to provide almost 20,000 jobs since 2020. Marami po sa ating industriya ang nawalan talaga ng trabaho. So we are very thankful to Viva Max that most of us dito po sa entertainment industry have their jobs back in 2020 until this moment. And tuloy-tuloy na po ito. Imagine in just 6 months, Viva Max has reached 600,000 subscribers. Napakabilis po nun. In June 2023, we've reached 7 million subscribers. Magkakasama din po tayo nag-celebrate niya ng 7 million. And now, we already have 11 million subscribers. So what a feat for Viva Max, really. Let's welcome on stage the new 11 Viva Max artists, starting off with Jessa Garcia. Jessa Garcia was first seen in Cubo and Araro in 2023. Then started playing a major role in January of this year, followed by Kabit in February. Most recently, she played a character who explored her sexuality in the movie Sweet Release. Once again, Jessa Garcia. Rika Gonzalez. Rika Gonzalez made it easy for the viewers to go crazy over her from the time she showed off her alluring beauty in Divan last year. Her follow-up movies this year showed her versatility as an actress. She's a manipulative bride in Dili, a carefree girlfriend in Mapulungso, a sickly and weak wife in Kapatid, and a sexy dancer seeking a new life in Dayo. Once again, Rika Gonzalez. Christy Imperial. Christy Imperial was already in the company of today's brightest actors in her first projects on Influence. She was part of the cast of The Rain in España, La Querida, Dirty Ice Cream, and Asintado. Even as she enters showbiz, Imperial still keeps up with her studies and other interests. Once again, Christy Imperial. Vern Kay. Vern Kay can sing and dance in real life. learn and is very grateful for the opportunity Viva Max is giving her. Once again, Alessandra Cruz. Jen Rosa.
But baby, tonight we're beautiful now. We're beautiful.
Jen Rosa was born to Sweet Colorado in 2023. This May, she's one of the 3 lead stars in Kulong, a movie about 3 friends who aim to write a brilliant screenplay. To get them inspired, they go on a sexual adventure. She also stars in TL, now streaming on Viva Max. Jen Ross's beautiful and fit figure can be attributed to her love for vegetables. Once again, Jen Rosa. Candy Veloso. Candy Veloso hails from Pagadian City, Zamboanga del Sur. She moved to Manila just last year. Veloso admits that getting into showbiz was not in her plans, but her appearance in its Showtime segment especially for you went viral. And soon after, she was discovered by Jojo Veloso. Her first acting experience was in Papali, and now she's starring in Dirty Ice Cream. And once again, Candy Veloso. Up next, we have Martin Saint. Martin Saint has attended different workshops to prepare her for the challenging and titillating Viva Max series in store for her. First on the list is Top 1. Keep tuned in for the release date and find out if she'll be a saint or a sinner. Once again, Martin Saint. Sky Gonzaga. Sky Gonzaga is one of the Metro's hippiest DJs and has just signed a contract as the official DJ artist under Viva Artist Talent Management. If you enjoyed listening to her, you'll also love watching her. Her voluptuous body is a sight to behold in her upcoming Viva Max movies, Only Friends and Ang Pintor at Ang Television. Once again, Sky Gonzaga. Ara Alonso. And completing our list of 11 Viva Max artists, Ara Alonso. Ara Alonso's first 2 Viva Max movies were Araro and Sex Games in 2023. This year, she had lustful encounters in Palikot and Stack. Ladies and gentlemen, our 11 new breed of hot Viva Max artists. Rico Garcia, Apple D, Angelica Hart, Sahara Bernales, Armina Alegre, Audrey Adla, Seth Garcia, Chloe Jenna, Atasca, Sheila Stone, Sheila Yu, Erika Balagtas, Sara Laxalana, Clara Gonzalez, Ayan Cruz, Cariz Manzano, Micaela Raz, Angela Morena, and Salome Salvi. Please join us here on stage for a quick photo walk. Everyone, this is your chance to take photos of our hot VivoMax artists together with our new beloved Blue Breeze. The presence of Direct Jeffrey Hidalgo. Thank you so much for joining us. And for those of you who has their photos and videos already, please do tag us as well on VivaMax official social media accounts. Thank you very much. And if you may, please use our official hashtags, #VivaMax.
With regard to your new talents, how did you choose them? I heard the others came from the provinces. We discovered on TV shows, TV contests. The 11 new talents for the 11 million subscribers.
Actually, we work with a lot of talent managers who bring in a lot of talents on a regular basis. So from there, we choose like several people that we think have the potential to be pushed. So from there those are the people that push na para mas makilala po ng mas maraming subscribers po natin.
I'm sure there are a lot of other talents behind it.
Actually, yes po.
So, pag 15 million, mag-launch kayo ng 15 million.
Definitely.
Alright. Thank you.
Actually, yung level nung nandito, marami pa na hindi na naman may sama dahil either training pa lang sila, nag-workshop, wala pang project sa platform. So, parang isang ecosystem. So, inayos kayo, pinapopulate, pinapaganda pa para mas makaingan yung mga subscribers or followers.
So yes po, but we are still launching a lot of stars na ngayon nyo pa lang po makikita sa platform, hindi nyo pa rin po nakikita sa VMX website.
So thank you so much, Boss Vincent and Boss Val, also Boss Vic, sa opportunity na binigay. Well, sa akin naman po, same with them naman na expectations ko po is more projects and also sa mas gagalingan ko pa po, mag-workshop po ako para mas mag-improve yung acting skills ko po. Thank you so much.
And crossover ka na sa mainstream. Ano yung masasabi mo sa mga newbies ngayon?
I think na sa tulong ng Viva, katulad ng tulong na binigay nila sa akin para crossover, I think yung opportunities para sa kanila is napaka-broad. Yan ang ibibigay sa inyo ng Viva. At sana, palagi din kayo at galingan niyo palagi. Kasi yun ang expectation sa atin ng agency, ng institution na ito. So yun po. Good luck.
Any advice for them?
Any advice? Yun lang, pusayan nyo, galingan nyo palagi. Maging mabuti kayo sa lahat ng mga katrabaho ninyo. Lahat ng members ng prod, lahat ng tao sa set, kaibigan ninyo, lahat sila mahalaga. At lahat sila nandyan para i-uplift kayo at may labas sa inyo yung best performances nyo. Kaya respeto lang at pagmamahal. Salamat!